this is Yo-Yo from HSGQ. Today we'll introduce you our hot sending dual band ONU. And this model of the ONU is X410DW. 4 means it has 4G in name port. 1 means it has 1 VoIP port. And for the pump port, it is SUPC. Actually, some clients will also ask for SCAPC can also support. For the appearance is with our patent design. For the dual band, it is 2.4G and 5G. It's Wi-Fi 5, 1200 Mbps. These 4 antennas can ensure good stable Wi-Fi performance. Based on different clients' requirements, for example, need VoIP or not, need CATV, on how many VoIP ports they need. We have many models for choice. So if you have interest or want to know more information, just contact us to get more details. Thank you.